Hello, beautiful artist. Welcome to the month of December in Monet Cafe Studio. Oh, are we going to have some painting fun? Now, I heard you guys loud and clear in the month of November when I shared a simple painting of some autumn trees, and I asked you guys if you wanted some more simplified lessons, and I was excited to see so many comments with you guys requesting lessons with more simplified subject matter. So that's why this month's teaching theme is called Keep It Simple, and I will be featuring simple subjects with some easy principles for beginner pastel artists and really artists of every level. So I think you're going to enjoy the simplified lessons this month, which should also be great for the busy holiday season. Now, there is more painting fun and excitement over on my Patreon page. If you are a patron of mine, you're going to love the December game challenge I'm calling Meet My Snowman. I'll be providing some snowman painting tutorials, but also invite my patrons to customize and accessorize their snowman, giving it some personality and just have some creative fun. My patrons will also be receiving reference images of lovely snowmen that I've created using Adobe Firefly. If you'd like to become a patron of mine, I'm going to share you a coupon code at the end of this video. And there's more exciting news. Many of you know I have my set available now called Fields of Sunshine, offered through Earthberry Pastels. It was truly my joy to hand select these colors from their amazing palette at Earthberry Pastels. It was also quite amazing to see the whole process of them creating the pastels and putting the sets together. And I know you guys will love the fact that I'm going to have a giveaway on many of my social media platforms, including YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and my Patreon page. So stay tuned for that. And now here's that coupon code I mentioned to become a patron and get 50% off your first month. This coupon code is valid from December 2nd to December 22nd. So wow, that's a lot of painting fun and excitement in the month of December. And most of all, I pray you have a blessed and happy holiday season and hopefully get some creative time for yourselves. All right, everyone, God bless and happy painting.